Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Today I'll be going through the Gemini Jet's April 2018 new releases. Now right off the bat, I'm going to say these releases are one of the worst I've seen. It's incredibly poor, especially from a 1 to 200 point of view. And I don't know what's going on, but they just keep getting worse. Well, this is for me, really. I mean, some people may enjoy these. I can see why, but a lot of people just disappointed. It's well, for both 1/400 and 1/200, mainly for 1/200 scale. But there needs to be some newer models from Gemini Jets really soon. Some better models. Anyway, we'll start with 1/400 like I usually do. And first up is the Air Choreo Illusion 62M. Registration P885. Pretty cool looking aircraft, that one. I think JC Wings released that 1 to 200 a while back, but I did not get it. I didn't really want to. Air Transat A330-200. Registration is CGTSN. It looks like their new livery. Sorry. American Airlines 737 MAX 8. I don't know why. I always get quite a ticklish throat when doing videos. Anyway, registration is N324RA. My apologies, everyone. It's quite odd that it happens during videos, only during videos. Anyway, China Eastern BAE 146300. Registration is B2712. It's a very cool aircraft. I didn't actually know China Eastern had these or used to have these. I don't know if they still have them, but that's quite cool. Delta A330-300. Registration is N823NW. Pretty good looking aircraft. Malaysia Airlines A350-900. 9MMAB. Sichuan Airlines A320neo. Registration is B8949. United Airlines Express Embraer 175 N163SY. And that will do it for the civil aircraft. And there is a military model, US Air Force C130. By looking at it, I'm probably guessing it's an H series. Could be off. But it doesn't actually say here. I'd have to, obviously just type the registration somewhere to find that out. But I'm not going to do that in this video. 79283 is the registration number. Pittsburgh Air National Guard. And then we move on to 1/200 scale. And I am not feeling these. American Airlines Embraer 175 N416YX. China Eastern 737 MAX 8 B1383. I honestly cannot get very enthusiastic about this. I'm very much just slouching here, thinking, what is Gemini Jets doing? What is this release? Delta Bombardier CS100 N101DU. The only short model I'm getting is this one, the Gulfstream G650 N651GJ. This will go very well with the black one I have of this, which is a very good looking model. So these two side by side will look fantastic. So this is the only one I'll be getting. And last one is the S7 Airlines Embraer 170. VQBBO. And yeah, so that's about it. very bland looking set of releases. I really don't know what else to say, because it's just I've never seen a release like this before, and I hope Gemini Jets can really pick it up, because they've had just months after months at this point. It's just been disappointing for me. I mean, yeah, I'm getting some, but there's nothing new. That's all I've got to say. There's really nothing. I mean, obviously there's a Max 8, and there's a CS100, but really there's nothing new. It's nothing that takes my fancy at all. It's stuff that will get repeated over and over again in future releases. Anyway, I'm not gonna ramble on any further about that, because I think you get the idea. Anyway, please leave a like if you did enjoy this. Comment, tell me what you think of this release. I really love to hear your opinions on this. I know a lot will have the same opinions, a lot will be disagreeing with me, but yeah, that's the way it is. Also, let me know which models you're going to get. Subscribe for more, of course. I plan to have model reviews out this week. And share this video as well, so other people can know about these releases and see if they want to get any of them as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.